Hey everybody, it's April. I have something fun I want to try, and I'm hoping it'll be interesting and fun for you guys too. So what I did was I took 2 cups, and inside these cups I put little pieces of paper, and on each little piece of paper in this cup is a style of paint pouring. And in this cup, I put more little pieces of paper. On each one of these pieces of paper is a color combination. So I thought once in a while I can pick one thing from this cup randomly and one thing from this cup randomly and use that paint combination with that style of paint pouring and have to create something on the fly for you guys. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's see what we find in here. Let's see. So that's one. And that's 2. Okay. So, the colors I chose were white, silver, and purple. And the thing that I have to do with those colors is going to be, I haven't done one of these in a long time, a swipe. So I got my canvas all set up so that I'm ready, and I already have these colors mixed up. I just think I don't have the silver, but I can do that real quick. So I will do that and we will get started. Okay, so I've got my canvas. My canvas is all level, and I have my paints. So I have my white. I had a light purple. I took that and mixed it with some red and blue and got myself a nice dark purple, because just one purple is not enough. And then I mixed up some Arteza silver, and so we'll use that. Now I have to kind of decide with a swipe, because I got white, silver, purple as my colors, and swipe as my technique. How do I want to swipe it? And what am I going to swipe it with? And that is the other question. I could maybe take, I have like some little cardboard. Maybe I could do some, instead of one big swipe. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I think I'm going to swipe with white. So I'm going to put my colors down, and I kind of want to be somewhat random about this, I feel like. I might swipe outward this way in a diagonal. I think I'll do that. So I'm gonna just throw some color on wherever I feel like. How about that? And maybe this will give some cool designs once we swipe the white over top of it. We'll see. So I'm just gonna kind of get a little bit of this darker color in most places. And we will add the other colors in. All right, I like it. So, I'm gonna do silver next. So this I kind of feel like I want to just put a little bit of everywhere. And I know this looks like a hot mess, but it's gonna come out good, I promise. So, there's that. Let me grab my gloves here, because now we're gonna just play in it a little bit and get it spread out enough so that it's covering all of the canvas. And then we'll start swiping. one done. Wipe my hands off a little bit so I don't turn my white paint bottle purple, which I guess wouldn't be the end of the world, but I kind of don't want to do that. And now do I want to put the paint on and then swipe it, or do I want to dip the swiping tool in the paint and then swipe? Questions, I don't know. You know, I've never done it that way. I might just try that. I'm gonna just try that. We'll see how that works. All right, I'm a little nervous, but here we go. I'm just gonna start right in the middle. So far I dig it. And we're getting some really cool reactions here, so that's awesome. Always good to see. Okay. Now let's see if we can go the other direction. Oh, you know what? I saw that going bad almost immediately. We're just gonna start that right over again. You have to put like a little bit of pressure on here, but not enough to like drag all of the paint off, just enough to drag the white on top of other things. I like it so far. I like it, I like it. Oh, boogers. Oh my God. Okay. Now, that's kind of bothering me though in the middle. This line is kind of irking me. So I think if I do that, we'll kind of do a design in the middle. All right, I can dig that. Look at all that silver just creeping up through there. So much silver. Well, I like it. It's different. Let's see. All my sides look pretty well covered. I'm just gonna adjust this side here because there's a weird spot. Well, that side is not covered. How did I miss an entire corner when I was tilting the crap out of this earlier? I don't know how that happens. This side's okay. Let's see. Pardon my dome if I'm in the way. Just want to make sure this has enough paint there. This looks okay, and that corner looks okay. Okay. All right. All right. Ooh, this is looking really cool. I think it's time for a close-up. What do you think? Hit that like button on this video if you think it's time for a close-up. Because maybe I won't give it to you. No, just kidding. All right. This looks super cool. Oh, I love it. Let's get close up here. Oop, almost fell over, guys. That would have been funny. Look at some of these cells have like purple and silver in there. This is gonna be so pretty when it dries. Oh, I love it. Well, this was a fun experiment. I wonder what I'll pick next time and what color combination I'll pick next time to do for you guys. You'll have to stay tuned. I think I'm gonna do this on Thursdays. So if you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and definitely hit that notification bell, you'll be able to get notified every time I post new videos and you won't miss the next, what I'm gonna call paint pouring roulette. And we'll see what I get next time. And I think in the next video, I will show you the dry result of this one so you can see it all dry and what it looks like. So until next time.